First, you need to put two screws and cone washers into the mounting holes. Then install the metal flat washer and the nut. Place the washer onto the screw. Then install the nut. Place the tank tube bowl gasket. Place the water tank. Next, you will need these three accessories. Place the rubber washer and the metal flat washer. Then install the wing nut. These accessories are needed to install the flush lever. Insert the positioning rubber. Adjust the rubber until it fits perfectly. Install the plastic nut. There are 3 holes on the lever arm, which are used to connect the chain on the flush valve. Connect the chain hook to the hole that allows the flapper to be fully lifted. After completion, place the water tank lid back. To install the toilet seat, you need to install these accessories first. Align the bracket correctly with the holes on the toilet bowl. Insert the expansion bolts into the holes and adjust the position of the bracket. Tighten the screws with the screwdriver or the drill. Push the toilet seat forward while keeping it parallel. When you hear a click, the installation is completed.